Hey guys, it's me, 𝙑𝙖𝙧. In the last episode, we installed the 𝙑𝙞𝙙𝙀 home security there. Today, we're going to install a doorbell security. So stay tuned for that as we install it. Alright, so we're inside where it's nice and warm. Let's get this thing opened up. It's nice and easy to open. It's a nice unit.
That's what she said!
Here. Alright, so we got the batteries and the instructions. Pack these things pretty tight. Just gonna rip it open. Alright, and the hardware stuff to, and this is to open the back of this when you're when you want to change the batteries and whatnot. Alright, so before we go forward, I'm going to attach a video from the last video of installing the app so you can see how that's done, and then we'll install this. Okay, so we're going to download the 𝙑𝙀𝙙𝙀 app. So we're going to go here. Apps and search. Let's see. Oops, 𝙑𝙀𝙀. Just hit that there. Yeah, 𝙑𝙀𝙀 home monitor. That's it right there. Double click, and she's done. So just wait for that to download. Alright, so I've downloaded the 𝙑𝙀𝙀 app, so you just got to create an account. Let's see your country, I'm in way over here. I guess you could just type it in and come up. 𝐂𝙨, there it is. See, Canada. And then you just go through all the steps. I'm not gonna, show you all that, but it's pretty simple. Alright, so we got our little installation guide. This one's a little bit better than the last one, which just came out all together. This one's like a little book. Go through it. It's so simple to install, guys. Let's get to this. Alright, so once you've downloaded the app, the next thing you want to do is press the plus sign here. Go to what you want to choose. We're going to do video doorbell, and you're going to want to scan the QR code or enter it manually. So we're going to scan it. Yeah, so the QR code's just where my thumb is. I'm just hiding it right now. Alright, so I scanned it, and one thing you have to remember is to disarm any of the cameras that you have on. So you see it that it's like armed right now, you got to disarm that for this to work. Alright, so we've disarmed the network, so continue. Oh, we got a little. Alright, so push the tab up at the bottom of the back of your 𝙑𝙀𝙀 doorbell and lift the battery cover. So we're going to do that next. And insert the batteries. Okay, so let's insert the batteries now. All right, so you should see a red light flashing, which it is. All right, so we've inserted the batteries as per the instructions. Continue. We've seen the red light blink. Now we're going to discover the device. Yeah, this may take a little while. All right, so I have Alexa downstairs, and she said that she found the doorbell. And as you can see, the doorbell has been added. All right, so now that the doorbell has been added, go to continue. We're gonna click front door since that's where it's at. Okay, so what you'll need to mount your doorbell kit. This includes your doorbell, 2 screws, 2 wire nuts, and a paper mounting template, which we all have. Power drill and a Phillips screwdriver and tape. All right, let's do that. And then you have an option to wire it to your existing doorbell. I don't have that, so I'm going to press no. Are you going to mount your doorbell? Sorry, are you going to mount the doorbell in place of an existing doorbell? No. And wedge thing, no. Drill 2 holes, we're going to do that. Screw in the back plate. Okay, we're going to do that. And then place it this way. All right. Your doorbell is complete. All right, so it's up and running now. So we're just going to make sure it is. As you can see, I named it front door. Let's go live here. You should see the blue light flashing. Sorry about the feedback there, but you can see that it works and it's all ready to be installed at the front door. All right, so let's see what we got as far as hardware here. Well, we got wires here. Sorry, I dropped one. There's 2 of them. We're not doing a hardwire install. We're doing the battery, so we don't need that. Jeez. All right, so yeah, so we got the prop. Sorry, I dropped some down on the ground here. Yeah, so we're just going to use these 2 here. This we don't need. There we go. Okay, so we have the template which we're going to use to screw in to the wall, or actually drill into the wall. Before we go on, this here is a little key which is used once it's installed, so you could remove the unit when you need to change the batteries. Okay, so let's get our drill ready. I recommend that you first of all make sure it's all charged up. Let's see here. All right, so I recommend that you start on the maybe not the smallest drill, but go measure it to what you think, and just so you don't make too big of a hole, and go from there. Alright guys, they suggest that you install it 40 to 48 inches from ground level, or 102 to 122 centimeters. I measured it, and it's pretty much where my old doorbell is, but we're going to put it on the brick. Alright, so now that you've chosen the location, tape it to where you want to do it using electrical tape here. Actually, that doesn't look like it's going to match up there. There we go. Alright, it seems like my bits don't go into brick too well, so I'm going to go into the cement instead. Alright guys, so we got that part installed. I'm going to be honest here, the screws and the anchors that they give you aren't good enough. I'll leave a link in the description. If you're like screwing into the wood, it's not bad, but this kind of stuff, no, you're gonna need something better. So I'll leave you a link for anchors and screws for that. Alright, so the final thing you want to do is click it in. I believe you do it from the top, and she's in. There you go. And you can hear it inside. Okay, so it's already hooked up to Alexa since I've installed that. Okay, one thing I didn't mention is that I have a sync module from my last application. This doorbell that I ordered didn't come with it, so you're going to need this for sure. I'll leave links to both with or without. Okay guys, as you can see, everything is looking good. There's the outdoor camera that I put on last video. It was recording me. Here's the doorbell. Let's go live. Just takes a few seconds, and there you go. Have to excuse me, I got a lot of snow out there. Anyways, it's exactly what I wanted. I couldn't be happier. Alright guys, that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this video. The hardest thing about this mod was actually anchoring that in, but other than that, the app is easy to install. Super easy. I highly recommend this mod if you want security for your house. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Please comment in the comment section below. I love hearing your comments. Also check out my link tree. If you need to email me, I'll leave you an email address. Until next one, stay safe, goodbye, and see you in the next video. Bye now.